How to fix Uber Eats payment error. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix Uber Eats payment error. For this, the first thing you want to do is make sure you are connected with a stable internet. If not, you want to switch between Wi-Fi and data and check. Now, the second thing you want to do is check if you're using the latest version of the Uber Eats app. To check, you want to open up Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar. Here you want to search Uber Eats. Now, if you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. This is going to fix any bugs within the app. Now tap on open and check if your problem has been fixed. If it is still not fixed, you want to open up your settings. Now scroll down and tap on apps or app management. Now here you want to search Uber Eats. Then scroll down and tap on the storage option. Now tap on clear cache. Once the cache has been cleared, you want to open the app and check if your problem has been fixed. If it is not fixed, you want to uninstall the application. After uninstalling, you simply want to reinstall using Play Store or App Store and then check if your problem has been fixed. Now, even after reinstallation, if your problem is not fixed, you want to contact the respective bank to check if the problem is in the bank's end. If it is not, you can contact the customer support of Uber Eats for further assistance. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.